Do you want to start journaling but don't have the time to? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start journaling in 5 minutes. Hey everyone, if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Sean Fitzgerald, and this is Get Up and Go Mentoring. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 5-minute journal. This is really cool, and I just barely got this because a lot of studies have shown that highly successful people have a morning ritual or a morning routine that they follow to help focus and center themselves before they have to go and start facing the world. One of the benefits of the 5-minute journal is this actually helps give you clarity of mind and helps center you first thing in the morning and right before you go to bed. And it's all very simple and easy because they ask you targeted questions that help you reflect, plan, and empower yourself. So what exactly do you do in the 5-minute journal? Well, when you open up your page, the first thing you're going to see is every day they have a new quote, which is pretty cool. Then you're going to write down what you're grateful for. Writing down what you're grateful for or thinking of what you're grateful for first thing in the morning is actually a really good way to start your day. It is literally impossible to feel scared or have a mindset of scarcity or be afraid when you are thinking of things you are grateful for. Those two thoughts cannot live in your head at the same time. So by writing down what you're grateful for, it actually tricks your mind into being more positive and being in a better state of mind. And with everything that's gone on last year and us being in a new year, I think everyone could have more peace of mind. So I think this is really important for people. The next thing you're going to write down is what would make today great. So actually writing down what would make today great is a really good thing because it programs your brain into looking for positive things in your life. It's another thing that's going to uplift you. It's going to improve your mental state. It primes you to be in a better state of mind. The next thing you're going to write down is a daily affirmation. I'm a really big fan of affirmations and I use them daily. And so I love this part about the 5-minute journal. By writing down your daily affirmation, you are helping to solidify it into your subconscious by putting pen to paper. It helps sink it in deeper. So that's the morning routine. That all can be done pretty fast, in less than 5 minutes. Then, right before you go to bed, you're going to write down 2 more things. What are 3 amazing things that happened today? By writing those things down, it helps you look for the good things in your life. It kind of goes along with the gratitude. It goes along with what actually made today really good. It's kind of like the follow-up to those questions. And the last question of the journal is, how could I have made today better? That's a really great question for reflecting on your day and seeing if there were things that you could have done that you wish you would have done differently. If you could go back in time and change something at a certain time, saying something, not saying something, taking that action, not taking that action, this portion helps you make a different choice in the moment. It helps you with decision making. It's actually a really cool thing. Hey, if you found value in this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribing for more videos like this. I'm going to put up a link to my next video right here. If you want to check out the 5-minute journal, I'll leave a link down below for you to check it out.